Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust or change the icon size on this device. If you want to make the icon size much bigger, then simply go to settings. So in the settings, you can see the option display and brightness. Select this one. Scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option display zoom. Tap on this one. You have to select the option larger text. If you select the option default and tap on the tick symbol on the top right side, just wait for a few seconds. You can see this is the default font size and the icon size. If you want to change or make you bigger the icon size, simply go to settings, go to the display and brightness, go down, tap on display zoom, select the option larger text, tap on the tick symbol on the top right side and confirm this with the zoom, use zoomed. Now you can see the icons are, the font size is also bigger, the icon size is also much bigger than the previous one. So simply in this way we can adjust or change the icon size on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.